The much anticipated new generation R15 has been unveiled in India. Yamaha has officially named the entry-level supersport motorcycle the YZF R15 V4, which now comes with a refreshing new design. The motorcycle also has received mechanical updates that make it much sportier in character. The new generation R15 also comes in a top-end M trim that is packed with extra features as compared to its standard variant. Also, the bike comes in different new paint schemes, which gives it a sporty stance. The YZF R15 V4 variants come in racing blue, dark night, and metallic red, whereas the R15M trim gets a metallic gray color scheme. Design-wise, the new generation R15 V4 gets an all-new front end with a new single-beam projector headlight. The front end also gets LED DRLs, which add to the style quotient. In addition to this, the motorcycle gets a redesigned tail section, a new fairing design, and a muscular tank. Also, the bike gets new body graphics that add to the sporty nature of the vehicle. Yamaha has finally provided their customers with what was requested for quite some time. Yes, the new generation R15 V4 gets a pair of golden USD forks up front with 37mm inner tubes. The rear suspension duties are carried on by a monoshock unit. The vehicle also comes with disc brakes at the front and rear end, and they are coupled to a dual-channel ABS system. The ABS system is also standard equipment on the motorcycle. Other new features include a fully digital LCD instrument cluster that is equipped with Yamaha Y Connect connectivity feature and Bluetooth. As for the engine, the motorcycle comes with a 155cc 4-stroke liquid-cooled SOHC 4-valve engine that produces a maximum power of 18.4 PS at 10,000 RPM with a torque output of 14.2 Nm at 7,500 RPM. The motor with VV8 is mated to a 6-speed gearbox setup. The new YZF R15 model is also the first small-displacement Yamaha motorcycle with manual transmission to feature traction control system. Yamaha claims that the TCS system controls the ignition timing and fuel injection volume to instantly adjust engine power output. As a result, it avoids excessive slippage. It is also the first Yamaha single-cylinder motorcycle to feature a quick shifter for smooth, clutchless upshifts. It activates when speed is at or over 20 km per hour. The engine RPM is at or over 2000 RPM and accelerating. The motorcycle will be available across all company dealerships in India by end of September. The price of the motorcycle starts from ₹1,67,800 ex-showroom, Delhi, and goes all the way up to ₹1,77,800 for the R15M trim.